Looking for a new job or a fresh start in your career? Here's can't-miss chance that's stirring up excitement and a bit of controversy across Long Island. This Thursday, over 150 employers representing diverse fields such as healthcare, manufacturing, hospitality, and public service will gather at the Nassau County Mega Career Expo, providing an incredible array of opportunities for job seekers. The event, coordinated by the Nassau County Office of Minority Affairs Workforce Development Center and the Town of Oyster Bay's Workforce Partnership, throws open its doors to anyone on Long Island searching for employment, networking prospects, or even just tips to polish up their resume. Doors at Nassau Coliseum, 1255 Hempstead, Uniondale will be open from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And, perhaps best of all, it's absolutely free to attend. But here's where the event goes a step further. Seniors, veterans, and those with mobility challenges get a special early entry starting at 9 a.m. This thoughtful gesture ensures that those who might need extra time or assistance aren't left on the sidelines. Nearly 3,000 people have already registered. But organizers stress that you can simply walk in. Ronnie Miles, director of the Workforce Development Center, emphasizes, "Our goal is to help as many people as possible, meeting a wide range of needs all in one place." Expect positions ranging from entry-level openings like certified nursing assistant roles, medical billing jobs, commercial driving gigs, and security posts. Looking for something hands-on? Local apprenticeship programs will be highlighted for those interested in trades. Government agencies, including Nassau County itself, will be on hand to discuss current municipal openings, so it's a rare chance to talk face-to-face with decision-makers. Here's another surprise. The first 250 attendees who request a professional headshot will get one free. Perfect for updating that LinkedIn profile or adding a polished image to your application materials. And this is the part most people miss. Entrepreneurs, especially those who own or aspire to own certified minority or women-owned business enterprises, can meet with county representatives to get the inside scoop on landing government contracts, a potentially game-changing opportunity for small business owners. The timing of this expo is especially interesting and controversial considering the broader economic climate. Nationally, hiring has slowed, with August seeing just 22,000 new jobs added, far short of the 76,500 expected by economic experts from FactSet. Sheetal Patel, a labor market analyst from New York State Labor Department, notes that Long Island is experiencing similar stagnation. Our local job market has been frozen for much of the year. Cloudy economic outlooks, like uncertainties around tariffs, have made employers hesitant to hire. Patel also points out a trend known as job hugging, where rising costs and shaky consumer confidence prompt workers to stay put in their current roles rather than seek new positions. Yet, in an intriguing twist, Long Island's unemployment rate remains fairly low. As of July, the rate was 3.6%, marking a modest decrease from last year. In such peculiar times, are hiring fairs still the strongest way to boost employment? Should employers be doing more to reassure potential hires and loosen those purse strings? Or is cautious optimism, as shown by attendees and organizers, the best way forward in a shaky economy? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below. Do you see the pace picking up, or are we in for more months of slow growth?